Hello friends, hope you all are well and doing good. Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I talked about the events of sexual reproduction in which I covered pre-fertilization and fertilization events, and today I am going to talk about post-fertilization event and a discussion about viviparus and oviparous animals. So let's start our topic. Let's have a quick recap on what we have started earlier. हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बात करी थी सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन और उसमें होने वाले इवेंट्स के बारे में. Sexual reproduction, as we all knew that, is a very complex process as compared to that of asexual reproduction, and it involves the involvement of two parents. One is your male parent and other one is your female parent. Sexual reproduction is a very complex process because it involves the formation and transfer of gametes, their fusion to form zygote, and embryogenesis. The whole process of sexual reproduction is divided into three major events, or you can say three major stages, namely pre-fertilization event, which is marked by the formation and transfer of gametes. Second one is your fertilization events, where the fusion of gametes took place to form zygote, and the third one is your post-fertilization event. As the name suggests, it involved all those events that took place after the formation of zygote, that is after fertilization, and this stage is marked by embryogenesis. Now let us try to understand the event of post-fertilization. As we all knew that post-fertilization refers to the events of sexual reproduction taking place after fertilization. Here in this diagram you can see that this is a male sperm and this is a female egg. Both are haploid in nature. Their fusion will result in the formation of zygote, which is diploid in nature, and this zygote will undergo mitotic division to form an embryo, which will further result in the formation of a young one or a baby. Here at this stage, where an embryo is developed from a zygote, is termed as embryogenesis and is marked as a post-fertilization event. Now let's have a look on the statement of embryogenesis. Embryogenesis is the process of initiation and development of embryo from zygote. As we all knew that if fertilization is external, then zygote is formed in the external medium. अगर हमारा fertilization external है तो zygote भी external medium में बनेगा, and if our fertilization is internal, then zygote formation will occur inside the animal body. As we all knew that the next step after zygote formation is embryogenesis, that is formation of an embryo. Now the process of embryogenesis varies from species to species. और अगर हम बात करते हैं humans की, तो in humans the process of embryogenesis is for a period of 9 months. After a period of 9 months, a female partner will deliver a young one. Now the two major events that took place during embryogenesis in zygote are cell division and cell differentiation. Let us try to understand the difference between these two processes. As the embryogenesis continues, the two processes that took place actively in zygote are cell division, that is addition of new cells to the zygote, and cell differentiation. It refers to the process where the new cells that are added by cell division to the zygote undergo specific changes to form specific tissues and organs. Now let's have a look on the statement of cell differentiation. Cell differentiation that helps the new cells formed by cell division to undergo specific changes and thereby convert them into specific tissues and organs. Now let us try to understand the concept of viviparous and oviparous animals and why human beings are viviparous. Now the question arises, why humans are viviparous? As we all knew that organism that give rise to young one or organism that give birth to a young one is termed as viviparous organism. If we talked about human beings, in human beings fertilization is internal and embryogenesis, which is the next step after the fertilization, is also internal. That means the formation of embryo took place inside the female parent body, and the time span of embryogenesis in case of human is of 9 months. After a period of 9 months, the female parent will give birth to a young one. Hence, humans are viviparous. Now, let's have a look on the statement. Because embryogenesis takes place inside the body of the female parent, such organisms give rise to young ones. Almost all mammals are viviparous. The chances of survival of offsprings in case of viviparous organisms are more because proper care is provided to the developing embryo. Now let's have an understanding on oviparous animals or organisms. If embryogenesis took place outside the female body, then such organisms are termed or said to be oviparous. Let's have a look on the statement. If embryogenesis take place outside the body of the female parent, then such organisms are said to be oviparous. Oviparous organisms lays eggs, and these eggs are covered by a hard shell made up of calcium carbonate. They lay eggs in a safe place, leaving them to hatch. All birds and reptiles comes under the category of oviparous organisms. With this, I'm ending this video now. Hopefully my videos might be useful for you people. So please subscribe to my channel. Stay connected with me. Till then, bye bye.